with India more and more actively working towards Make in India, Made by India concept, as well as aligning with the ongoing AtmaNirbhar Bharat ambitions. How we had multiple questions for MTaI, that how our organizations such as MTaI and similar are working with Indian government to create an environment that encourages both innovation and ease of doing business. So we would like to have your rounded answer on regarding the same. How can similar organizations work with the government to promote medical devices industry, so that not just the import and export but the manufacturing of such brilliant devices are also happening within India itself and getting exported to all across the world? So we would like to know your thoughts on the same.
So in this space, ease of doing business, we keep on asking the government for predictable regulations, consistent policies, harmonization of standards, so that we play on the same turf as the global MedTech marketplace. This will help us in exports also. So this is one generic area that we work on, and we have a research and policy wing. We come out with our own research and present it to the government. And let me say, the government is a very agile government, and it ensures that the growth of the sector happens or utilizes both the domestic and the international current. And it knows that nearly 80% of the products which are used in India are imported. Surely 80% of the critical care products are imported. And also that our investments in our R&D laboratories, in our manufacturing plants is very substantial. We have 17 large manufacturing plants in the country. These actually become the crucibles of those professionals who tomorrow will work for domestic companies. So what the international companies are making or promoting today, the domestic companies will make or promote tomorrow, maybe at a lower cost, which is great. So both the currents the government is utilizing. We are also a part of EPCMD, the Export Promotion Council of Medical Devices, and we contribute with our thought and activities in that space also. And we feel that Indian exports of medical devices, particularly consumables, is growing and has a very bright future. We at the same time also feel that the entire marketing effort should be coordinated and a strong quality control system through uniform globalized standards should be put into effect.